Welcome to the in front of me Nokia G11, and I'll show you how to switch on and switch off screen touches in screen recording on that device. So first we should launch the screen recording settings. To do that, we should find the screen record icon here on notification panel. So you should hold for a while. After that, this icon of screen recording, and here you'll see the show touches on screen switcher. Just to show them, you should click here once on the switcher, and to turn them off, we should click on the switcher again, and that's it. After that, just to start recording, click here to start. So that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.